Hello. Let's learn about the disadvantages of centralization. Let's tell another story. In a small town called Tuscany, all transactions are recorded through the mayor of the town. The mayor of the town publishes the ledger every day, and other residents check and copy the ledger for their own preservation. The mayor is the centralized trust endorsement and intermediary. The ledgers in the hands of each resident are points, and they form a centralized network. All the data and information on the ledger come from the mayor, which is the centralized point. So, here comes the problem. If the mayor and a certain resident make false accounts together, what will happen to the accounts of the entire town? That's right, there will be chaos. So if the mayor loses the ledger one day, all the bills for that day will also be lost together. Here are some disadvantages of centralized existence. Errors in the central system equals errors in the entire system. The mayor has the information of the residents, but the residents do not have the information of the mayor. The central system, that is, the mayor, can modify the account information at will. Faced with the mayor's mistake, the residents of the town decided to change to a different bookkeeping model. The new model allows residents to randomly select a resident to record the accounts of the day, and the transcripts are synchronized for all residents. Since all residents recognize this model and reach a consensus, this is the consensus mechanism. According to the new model, the new independent ledgers generated every day are called blocks. The accounts are settled every day, and previous day's balance is consistent with the opening amount of today's accounts. By keeping balance records, yesterday's accounts are linked to today's accounts. It is the chain in the blockchain, the data chain that transmits data between each block. And the data chain that runs through all books is what we call blockchain. We can see that all ledger information is recorded on this chain. In order to speed up the speed of transcribing the ledger, everyone chose to transcribe nearby. We regard each family as the custodian node of the entire ledger. Then the way to transfer account information between neighbors is to transmit data directly from one node to another node. We call it point-to-point transmission. Then, the daily ledger is divided into many identical copies and stored in each node, which we call distributed ledger. At this time, the entire system does not need the central point of the mayor at all. The whole process is decentralized. The final account transfer network without a central point is a decentralized network. That's all for today's lesson. Learn all about blockchain, DeFi, and Web3 on SuperEx Academy.